Come join us. We're gonna go fill our orders.
We're
for
at the
day.
compound.
Woo! Today we have, this morning, we just have about 16 orders. So what we're going to do is grab the cart and go shopping for products here in the warehouse, load it up, and then get to packing. We have this lovely little list that tells us how much of everything that we need. 98% of the time we get it right. We're not perfect all the time.
In Evan's eyes, we are perfect. I think we stand out because we ship really quick. I mean,
usually day of. We try to stay on top of the orders.
Within a couple orders, we take pride in how fast we are and also how thorough we pack things up. I mean, we don't have much damage claims.
I think that one thing that we stand out for is that we keep our products in the warehouse stocked pretty full because we don't want people to have to wait. There is some stuff like our Lumi that comes from far away that if we run out, it can take a while to get. So we technically are always doing inventory to make sure that we stay stocked on everything. So it is just the two of us. This is really family owned and operated. So
first order of the day. Gotta make sure she's safe. We have a two-step aluminum polishing kit. Very popular kit. It gets you pretty started for, what did you say, like your weekend warrior sort of thing. There should get you through a couple trucks. We're double check everything. We do have the kits up on the board. Try to avoid mistakes as much as possible. Yeah, just protecting this for shipping. You never know what could happen, and we just don't want the rouge to touch each other. You know, I got brown rouge going in here, green rouge. Don't want to mix it till you're ready. Aluminum polish, also very, very popular item. A lot of good feedback on it. And this customer also ordered sandpaper, always good to have on hand. They're getting some goodies. They spent a good chunk of change, and we just want to let them know we appreciate them.
When I pack orders, what I typically like to do is read through them, and I will put everything on the counter that's going to go into the box because I want to visually see that I've gotten everything on there. You know, quality control. I don't like people calling to complain about me. That hurts my feelings a little bit, so I just make sure I have everything. Just the year that I've been working, we've introduced probably, oh my gosh, I want to say 6 to 10 new products or new versions of products. Like our big bottles of Lumi, we now do the little short ones.
It was just a little area upstairs, the building next door above where the guys were working, and it was hot, and my head touched the ceiling in a few places. It was really uneven, and
carried all of the orders down the stairs.
Yes.
Label them up the stairs and have to carry them
I weighed them
down.
upstairs, printed the labels downstairs on my desk. The mail people, I used to drive the stuff to the post office, truckloads, and they were not impressed, or the gas station. They were not happy with all those packages inside. And it's a lot of carried up and down the stairs.
Sometimes they're not happy picking them up now with the amount of orders that we have.
We had to carry the rouge up and down the stairs, and that rouge is, what, 50 pounds a box? And
yep.
It was a lot. I don't know how the floor didn't give out. Every morning I expected my desk just to be covered in ceiling.
We're outgrowing this building, and this building is new. So we are getting a new storage trailer that is going to be added on so that we can store some of our products so that we can stock the shelves with more products.
It's kind of exciting to see the orders that pour in. On the website, we just do US and Canada, but we get emails all the time. We do Australia, New Zealand. We have distributors there. We do distributors in Canada. I've shipped to South Africa, Germany, a couple of European countries even. It's just interesting to see the names on the orders and where everyone's from. I've learned so many new cities just in Wisconsin. It's really interesting. We like going to truck shows, and it's so neat to have a face, even for the customers, just to have a face to the orders. I've met a handful of customers at Louisville, and even emails. Everyone just thanks us, and we take pride in what we do, and it's really heartwarming. Did people recognize that?
Or they give you their name and they're like, I order online all the time, and you're like, I know that name.
Yep.
I want to send little thank
Sorry
you
if
notes
I made
to
a
people
mistake. Yeah, we do.